students, welcome to Time to Study. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம Time to Studyல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா Class 9 ஓட Max Practice Paper for Term 1 Examination. Term 1 Examination pattern என்னன்னா MCQ forms-ல உங்களுக்கு question இருக்கும். Only objectives, அதாவது multiple choice questions மட்டும்தான். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம 50 questions அதெல்லாம் பார்க்க போறோம். இது ரொம்பவே இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஆனது. ஸோ வீடியோவை கடைசி வரைக்கும் பாருங்க.
First question. If two sides and an angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and an angle of another triangle, then the two triangles must be congruent. The above statement is
Answer B. False.
Second question. Tally marks are used to find class intervals, lower limit, frequency, upper limit.
Answer frequency.
Third question. The mid value of a class interval is 42. If the class size is 10, then the upper and lower limit of the class are 37 and 47, 47 and 37, 37.5 and 47.5, 47.5 and 37.5.
Answer 37 and 47.
Fourth question. The difference between the upper and lower limit is called midpoints, class intervals, frequency, class size.
Answer class size.
Fifth question. Which one of the following is not the graphical representation of statistical data? A. Bar graph, histogram, frequency polygon, cumulative frequency distribution.
Answer cumulative frequency distribution.
Sixth question. A histogram is a pictorial representation of the grouped data in which class intervals and frequency are respectively taken along vertical and horizontal axis only, vertical axis only, horizontal and vertical axis.
Answer horizontal and vertical axis.
Seventh question. For two triangles, if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to two angles and the included side of another triangle, then the congruency rule is SSS, ASA, SAS, none of the above.
Answer ASA.
Eighth question. In an isosceles triangle, if the vertex angle is twice the sum of the base angles, then the measure of vertex angle of the triangle is 144 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, 130 degree.
Answer 120 degree.
Ninth question. In figure, AB is perpendicular to BE and EF is perpendicular to BE. If BC equal to DE and AB equal to EF, then triangle EFC, triangle ECF, triangle DEF, triangle FEC.
Answer D. FEC.
10th question. If triangle PQR is congruent to triangle EFD, then ED is equal to
Answer PR.
In figure, if AE is parallel to DC and AB is equal to AC, find the value of angle ABD. Options 130 degree, 110 degree, 120 degree, 70 degree.
Answer 130 degree.
12th question. If ABC and DEF are two triangles such that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FDE and AB is equal to 5 centimeter, angle B is equal to 40 degree and angle A is equal to 80 degree, then which of the following is true? A. DF is equal to 5 centimeter, angle F is equal to 60 degree. DF is equal to 5 centimeter, angle E is equal to 60 degree. DE is equal to 5 centimeter, angle E is equal to 60 degree. DE is equal to 5 centimeter and angle D is equal to 40 degree.
Answer B. DF is equal to 5 centimeter, angle E is equal to 60 degree.
13th question. If ABC is an equilateral triangle, then each angle equals to 90 degree, 180 degree, 120 degree, 60 degree.
Answer 60 degree.
In a triangle PQR, if angle QPR is equal to 80 degree and PQ is equal to PR, then angle R and angle QR 80 degree, 70 degree, 80 degree, 80 degree, 70 degree, 80 degree, 50 degree, 50 degree.
Answer D. 50 degree, 50 degree.
15th question. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle. With side A, then area of the traffic signal is
Answer B. root 3 by 4 a square.
16th question, the range of the data 14, 27, 29, 61, 45, 15, 9, 18 is 61, 52, 47, 53.
Answer 61 minus 9, 52.
The value of root 5 minus 2 into root 5 plus 2 is 3, 23, 1, none of these.
Answer A 3.
18th question, which one of the following is different from others? Root 7, root 8, root 9, root 10.
Answer root 9.
19th question, 1 by root 7 is 7 by root 7, root 7 by 7, 7 root 7.
Answer B root 7 by 7.
20th question, the sides opposite to two equal angles of a triangle are not equal, equal, maybe congruent, not congruent.
Answer equal B.
Case study questions. The below given layout, the design and measurements has been made such that area of 2 bedrooms and kitchen together is 95 square meter. The question asked is, the area of 2 bedrooms and kitchen are respectively equal to 5x 5y, 10x 5y, 5x 10y, x, y.
Answer 5x, 5y.
22nd question, find the length of the outer boundary of the layout. 27 meter, 15 meter, 50 meter, 54 meter.
Answer D 54 meter.
23rd question, the pair of linear equation in two variables formed from the statements are x plus y is equal to 13, x plus y is equal to 9, 2x plus y is equal to 13, x plus y is equal to 9, x plus y is equal to 13, 2x plus y is equal to 9, none of the above.
Answer D none of the above.
24th question, which is a solution satisfying both the equations formed in question number 23? Options, x is equal to 7, y is equal to 6, x is equal to 8, y is equal to 5, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 7, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 8.
Answer C. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 7.
25th question, the area of each bedroom is 30 square meter, 35 square meter, 65 square meter, 42 square meter.
Answer A 30 square meter.
Next question, the class teacher of class 10 preparing result analysis of a student. She compares the marks of a student obtained in class 9 2018 to 19 and class 10 2019 to 20 using the double bar graph as shown below. The questions are, in which subject has the performance improved the most? Maths, social science, science, English.
Answer A Max.
27th question, in which subject has the performance deteriorated? Maths, social science, science, English.
Answer D English.
28th question, in which subject is the performance at par? Hindi, Maths, Science, English.
Answer A Hindi.
29th question, what is the difference in Math subject? Options 5, 30, 0, 10.
Answer 30 B.
30th question, what is the percentage of marks obtained by a student in class 10, 2019 to 20? Options are 60%, 55%, 54%, 65%.
Answer C 54%.
31st question, the length of each side of an equilateral triangle having an area of 9 root 3 centimeter square is 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 36 centimeter, 4 centimeter.
Answer B 6 centimeter.
32nd question, by which congruence rule following triangles are congruent? SAS, ASS, AAS, SSS.
Answer SSS.
33rd question. In right angle triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degree, AB is equal to AC. Find angle B. Options are 70 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 80 degree.
Answer C, 45 degree.
34th question. Let M be the midpoint and K be the upper class limit of a class in a continuous frequency distribution. Lower class limit of the class is, options are 2M plus K, 2M minus K, 2K minus M, M plus K.
Answer C, 2K minus M.
35th question. In the class intervals 10 to 20, 20 to 30, the number 20 is included in. Options are both the intervals 20 to 30, none of the intervals 10 to 20.
Answer 20 to 30.
The distance of 4, 5 from x-axis is, options are 3 units, minus 3 units, 4 units, 5 units.
Answer D, 5 units.
37th question. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 2 is a solution of linear equation. X plus 2y is equal to 7. 5x plus 2y is equal to 7. X plus y is equal to 7. 5x plus y is equal to 7.
Answer C, x plus y is equal to 7.
38th question. Equation of a line which is 5 unit distance above the x-axis is, options are x is equal to 5, x plus 5 is equal to y, y minus 5, x minus y is equal to 0.
Answer x is equal to 5.
39th question. Any point on the line y is equal to 3x is of the form a, 3a, 3a, a, a3, a3, minus a.
Answer A, 3a.
40th question. The graph of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 cuts the x-axis at the points 0, 3, 3, 0, 2, 0, 0, 2.
Answer B, 3, 0.
41st question. 0.06666 in P by Q form is 6 by 99, 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 1 by 66.
Answer B, 2 by 3.
42nd question. On rationalizing the denominator of 1 by root 7 minus 2, we get root 7 minus 2, root 7 plus 2, root 7 plus 2 by 3, root 7 minus 2 by 3.
Answer C, root 7 plus 2 by 3.
Find the value of 216 cube root 3 minus 125 cube root 3. Options are 1, minus 1, cube root of 99, 6 by 5.
Answer A, 1.
Question number 44. Which of the following numbers is an irrational number? Root 16 minus 4, 3 minus root 3 into 3 plus root 3, root 5 plus 3 minus root 25.
Answer B, 3 minus root 3 into 3 plus root 3.
45th question. The coordinates of the point which lies on y-axis at a distance of 4 units in negative direction of y-axis from the origin is 5, 4, 4, 0, 0, minus 4, minus 4, 0.
Answer C, 0, minus 4.
46th question. If the points A, 2, 0, B, minus 6, 0, C, 3, A minus 3 lie on the x-axis, then the value of A is 0, 2, 3, minus 6.
Answer C, 3.
47th question. Which of the following is the equation of a line parallel to y-axis? Y is equal to 0, x plus y is equal to z, y is equal to x is equal to a.
Answer D, x is equal to a.
48th question. The decimal expansion of root 2 is, options finite decimal, 1.4121, non-terminating and recurring, non-terminating and non-recurring.
Answer D, non-terminating and non-recurring.
How many linear equations in x and y can be satisfied by x is equal to 1 and y is equal to? Options are only 1, 2, infinitely many, 3.
Answer C, infinitely many.
Last question, 50th one. An exterior angle of a triangle is 80 degrees and the interior opposite angles are in the ratio 1:3. Measure of interior opposite angles in degrees: 30 degree 90 degree, 40 degree 120 degree, 20 degree 60 degree, 30 degree 60 degree.
Answer C, 20 degree 60 degree. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.